Today I'm going to be teaching you how to put your musical profile or your musician's social media profile on the blockchain. You can do this through a new web application called Musicoin. Musicoin puts your social media profile associated with your musician's profile onto the blockchain. Through their platform, you're then able to earn Musicoin, which is their own inclusive ERC20 token. All you really need to get started with Musicoin is a valid email address and an active social media profile which is associated with your musician. If you have an unactive musician's profile, whether it's on your SoundCloud, Bootcamp, or YouTube, you probably won't be verified as a musician, which will then deny you from receiving Musicoin. Musicoin is a decentralized platform which essentially runs off of their Musicoin token. By sharing and liking other people's tracks and listening to their tracks, you earn Musicoin. Musicoin has increased about 300% in the past month. You could sign up with either your Facebook or your Twitter profile, but just for now I'm going to sign up with my email as this is the easiest option. In order to verify your profile, however, in the future you are going to have to verify a Twitter and Facebook account. Traditionally this will be an empty page, but since I've already entered a profile and created my own profile, I'm just going to show you how to edit some information. So if you scroll down, you can enter various information about your musician profile, which includes your Google Plus page, your SoundCloud page, LinkedIn, YouTube. You can even enter your Bandcamp profile. Generally, for them to have to accept your musician's profile onto their blockchain, you generally have to have a couple thousand views, at least on your SoundCloud page or Bootcamp. Also, a good social media following is great, as they have a team that specifically reviews everything associated with your social media profiles. So once you've signed up and you've been verified, you can then post different tracks onto Musicoin. So once you do this, users will then be able to tip you or like your song in exchange for Musicoin. So as you see on my page right now, I have 5 Musicoin, which is equal to around 24 cents. This is just from me posting one song. I don't even think this account is verified, but this is a great method of obtaining Musicoin. It's a great platform. Their blockchain runs very smoothly, and I really think this is the future of putting a social media profile onto the blockchain. Also, if you scroll to the top right and you click on your little user profile, you'll be able to link social media accounts. These are going to be your Twitter, Facebook, and your email. This is what's going to be used by the verification team to make sure you're not a robot or your musician's profile is inactive or anything like that. Once you've signed in and verified it, you usually get an email within 24 hours telling you whether or not you were verified. So once you've done this, you can then go to your feed and see other people's songs, and you'll be able to exchange Musicoin for plays, likes, I think there's reposts, and for just general listens. But other than that, that's basically how you put your musician's social media profile on the blockchain and start earning Musicoin.